K and Isa. Isa, ikaw lang ang walang K. Kareel, Corina, and Caballo. Kiza.
Kiza Kaziska. Here at the church.
With the Tesla Prieto. Everyone, say hi. Good little girl. Robbie. Ganda! Pak! Here are the Tres Gandaras. The Tres Gandaras. The super handsome groom, Blake! Waiting for his bride. Lovely! Lovely bride, divinely.
Sign of my love and loyalty in the name of the Father, and the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
I give this life as a pledge of my dedication to your welfare in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
And I accept them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Wedding is done. Now on our way to the reception. Archie and Aaron. Diba? Kahit sa kasal may style team. Sabi. Bumalik muna ng hotel para change outfit.
may change outfit. So wedding. Outfit number 2. Watch out.